Welcome to another episode of Cool Car Accessories. Today we are gonna discuss 5 cool car gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Kärcher rim brush, pressure washer accessory. The Kärcher wheel wash brush has all-round bristles which ensures extremely effective cleaning. This brush reaches all those difficult to reach areas and get into the smallest gaps for thoroughly clean wheels and wheel rims. The Kärcher wheel wash brush has the added benefits of uniform 360-degree odor distribution for dissolving and flushing away the dirt. The quality bristles provide a gentle but effective cleaning action for excellent all-round cleaning results. Quality bristles for efficient and gentle action cleaning. This is suitable for domestic Kärcher pressure washer K series. This brush includes a union nut for a secure spray gun connection and ergonomic handle for ease of use. The Kärcher wheel washing brush is a great addition to your Kärcher pressure washer, suitable for all K2, K7 models. LUXON Emergency Tool 7-in-1 car safety tool includes window breaker seat belt cutter, LED flashlight. Rescue tool contains USB charger, SOS light, and hand cranking charger for vehicle escape or field survival. This is 7-in-1 emergency kit. This multifunctional tool contains car safety hammer, seat belt cutter, red indicating light, SOS lighting, magnet, LED flashlight, bright, dim, flashing, USB charger with cables, hand cranking charger system, window breaker and seat belt cutter. The car safety hammer as an emergency escape tool can break the windows, and the seat belt cutter with a sharp razor blade can cut off the seat belts, allowing you to escape quickly from your vehicle in an emergency situation. Hand cranking charging system. The emergency tool with USB charger and USB cable has a special skill to save itself. This is hand power generation, as well as it can charge for most phones in an emergency circumstance. When you are in the dark or emergency, you can use the car emergency kit with LED light as a lighting tool. The LED light with a flashlight function also can be used as emergency SOS for asking for help. This hammer as an emergency escape tool is ideal for camping, wildlife adventure, field survival, home, hiking, travel, office vehicles. This car escape kit comes with a 1-year hassle-free warranty. Stop sleep, anti-sleep alarm. Drive safely. Stay alert with a stop sleep. Stop sleep helps maintain awareness by alerting to the first signals of a drop in concentration brought on by the onset of driver fatigue. Stop sleep continually measures your levels of awareness and concentration by using 8 built-in continuous sensors which monitor your electrodermal activity. Your electrodermal activity represents your brain activity, and by measuring this activity, stop sleep can accurately gauge your levels of awareness and concentration. As soon as your levels of concentration start to drop, stop sleep will alert you immediately via its 2-stage alarm system. Alarms before drowsy driving, up to 5 minutes before, and answers how to stay awake while driving. Scientifically tested by the National Center for Scientific Research and recommended to use in every road trip. Universal feet-safe driving device. One size fits all. Stylish design and allergen-proof material. It has fast charging and long operation time. Very important benefit for road trip accessories. MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener Chamberlain MyQ G0301 Wireless and Wi-Fi enabled garage hub with a smartphone control. The simple way to a smarter garage. Get more from your garage door opener with a Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub. New in garage delivery with Key by Amazon. Prime members in selected areas can opt in with the MyQ Smart Garage Hub to get Amazon package securely delivered right inside their garage. Simply link your MyQ account in the Key app. Smart Garage Control. Open and close your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone through the MyQ app. Smart Notifications. Receive alerts when your garage door opens or closes in real time by setting up customized notifications. Great for busy families who come and go from the house through the garage. Universal. Easy to add functionality to upgrade your existing garage door opener. Compatible with most brands of garage door openers made after 1993 that have standard safety sensors. Simple setup. Wireless installation with easy step-by-step instructions provided in the MyQ app means you will be able to enjoy smart garage control in minutes. Guest access. Securely invite up to 3 people to control your garage with the MyQ guest feature. Smart collaboration. Linking your MyQ account to Google Assistant and IFTTT requires $1 monthly or 10 annual subscription fee. ROIDMI 3S Xiaomi wireless car charger adapter for all cars. Adapted for all cars and iOS Android. Compared with ROIDMI 2S, ROIDMI 3S suited for 99.99% cars in market. That's upgraded. 3S with metal elastic design is almost adapted for all cars. Don't worry, that adapted for different sizes of car cigarette lighters. Suite for iPhones X, 8, 7 or 7 Plus or 6 or 6S Plus, iPad, Samsung, Huawei, other iOS or Android. Music MP3 player and charging. That's cool. Listening music and charging at the same time. Connecting to ROIDMI 3S. Music Bluetooth car charger to ROIDMI app. By Bluetooth, play music online or offline automatically. Dual USB pairs 5D 3.4A. Can charge for 2 phones or pad at the same time. Single max output 2.4A adapted to output 12/24 DC globally use. Be safe for driving. Better voltage detection. When car voltage is abnormal, the red warning light of ROIDMI 3S will keep flashing and will produce alarm sound. Meanwhile, phone data of ROIDMI app will synchronously display it. Double reminding. Be safe for driving. Main features: music player, FM transmitter, car charge, battery monitor for car, GPS navigation broadcast, app smart remote. A smaller design but multi-functions in a ROIDMI Music Bluetooth 4.2 car charge 3S. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.